Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and today's video is going to be a lingerie haul, and this has been one requested video. So I've been a little skeptical about doing a lingerie haul or anything to do with that, but I'm over it and I think it'll be useful. So I shopped for a bunch of things and everything is from shyaway.com, and they were having their end of the year sale, so everything was on a very good discount. So I think I spent around 2,000 rupees and I got a lot of things. Shyaway.com is a lingerie website and this is my first time trying them, so I'll be talking about the delivery time, the quality and all those things, and I'll also talk you guys through some of the lingerie basics which a lot of you guys were asking about. So here we go, everything came in this package and it took about I think 4 days to deliver from the time that I order. It depends probably on your location and all that, but I would say the delivery is quite quick. So let's start with the basics. Firstly, I got this sports bra, and it's just a basic sports bra, and I think this is originally $5.99. Let me check the discounted price. It's a very soft material and the fit is good, and you can easily find the sizes and everything. I'll talk about how to get your perfect size at the end. So yeah, this is the first one and a very good pick. There are a bunch of colors in this. So this was on 50% off and I got this for 299 rupees. I think that's a pretty good deal for something like this. You can also pick something with wider straps. There's a bunch of options. Now moving on to some other basics, of course I had to get a black one. If you just have black and nude lingerie, you're good to go. And this one is of detachable straps, so it's actually very handy, and you can even crisscross all of these bands. You can even wear them for any of your strapless dresses or for anything that you wouldn't want the strap to peek in. It's not very thick, but it does have a little bit of padding and a very comfortable and a very good one for a t-shirt bra. As you can see, it doesn't have any lines or any cuts and designs here, so it's very useful and pretty much goes with every outfit, and you will not see any visible lines and all that. So this was originally $6.49. So this was on 40% off and it was for $3.49 after discount. If you're looking for something daily use and comfortable at the same time, you know, multi-purpose, then this is great. And again, this is also available in a bunch of colors. Next up, another basic. Of course, as I mentioned, a nude bra is a very essential one. And this one has a little detailing, but it does not show up on the clothes. So it just has some mesh detailing here. But as you can see, this part is again seamless. It doesn't have any lines. This one is a little push-up. You can of course pick other ones. I just like the design and the price, so I got this. You can see that here it has a little push-up. You can find something with just basic padding, and it has mesh detailing at the back also. Even this one has detachable straps. Always look for something with detachable straps, so it can be multi-purpose. You can remove the straps. Like this is sort of almost full cup, so you can remove the straps and use it as a strapless bra. So I got it for 359 rupees after discount. Again, a very good deal. And even when you're traveling, you should definitely have one black and one nude one, and you'll be sorted for so many outfits. Nothing new, you probably already know that, but just saying. Then I wanted to go a little fancy and get some fancy ones since I'm done with the basics. So this is the next one. This is a very cute floral printed one with a little bit of lace detailing. So this one has attached straps in the front and they are detachable at the back, so you can crisscross them if you would want, and if it suits your outfit. Pretty much a basic one, just that it has this detailing and it looks pretty. It has some padding. Doesn't have too much texture, so you can pretty much wear it on most of the materials. The lace will show up if it's a silk material or something which is a little fitted. This one's very pretty. I just could not let it go. And this one also originally $7.99. I think this was also on 55% off. Next one also a little fancy, very pretty, and this one's available in so many colors and all the colors look so good. So it has a lot of lace detailing here and a little bit of a bow. This is sort of like a bralette actually. It has all this lace detailing going on, and it has slight padding. It's not a lot, it's very thin. Something you can use every day but just looks very fancy. And this one is also for $7.99 I think originally. Yeah, it's for $7.99 and it's on 55% off. So I got it for 359 rupees. And I think if you're looking for something like this and if it suits your criteria, then you should definitely get this. It looks really pretty and it's quite comfortable and all. And since it has some design and it can be worn as a bralette, so you can, even if you don't mind your straps peeking, then you can wear it on dresses where they do show up a little. So that is it for lingerie. Now I got a magic tape. This is that fashion tape, the double-sided one. So if you have your straps peeking through, then you can use this to, like, you know, push them back in. You can use it when your neck is deep, and there's several different ways that you can use it here. If your hem comes off, or if you're having some last minute problems, then this is a great fix. This is something that you should definitely have, and when you're heading out for a party, we can put this in our handbag and you just don't have to worry anymore. A lot of you guys have been asking for a lingerie haul from a very long time, so I hope this was really useful. So yeah, just to give you guys a gist, so pretty much definitely have some of your basics, that is a nude bra and a black one, and of course sports bra. They do have a lot of options, not just the one that I got. You can check them out. And regarding panties, I haven't purchased any in this haul. Get something that is seamless. They have something in seamless. I will put it in the description box so you can check them out. They're available in many colors, but get one black and nude and probably you'll be good to go. So get seamless so that they don't show up, like the lines don't show up on your pants. That is not pretty looking. So that is one thing that you must have. And apart from that, you can get boy shorts. So a lot of you guys ask what to wear under dresses that are a little flowy and or a little short. So get some boy shorts, again in a nude and a black color, would be very helpful. So they'll make sure that you're comfortable when you're wearing dresses or skirts. So that is it for the haul, guys. I have a discount code. I'll put it in the description box, so check it out in case you're purchasing something, so you can get a discount. And when you're signing up, also look for some offers. I think they have some joining bonus or some sort of a discount. Do check it out. And also they have their year-end sale, so I directly clicked on the year-end sale and looked for these, and I did check out other ones also, but I got all these from the end of year sale, and everything, as you saw, is pretty amazing. I spent around 350 rupees I think on most of them, and which is pretty amazing. As you can see, the quality is really good and the designs are also great, and I think that's a pretty amazing price. So get your hands on them while they're at discount. And they also have some offers. They have 3 for 888 and 3 for 1199, those kind of offers. And also do check out their bralettes. So if you are somebody who doesn't mind a lacy strap showing up, then you can definitely get bralettes. And apart from that, of course, they do have those tube bras, so those are strapless. You can wear them on your strapless dresses or any of your dresses which are a little revealing and you don't want your straps to be showing. So if you wear like a small to medium large, those will come in very handy. And if you're heavy chested, then those might not work, since those are of the t-shirt stretchy fabric. So if you don't get your size in that, you can get a full cup bra like this and get something with detachable straps. Get the correct size so that, you know, they don't slip away and all that. And lastly, to find out your size, you can get a measuring tape, a normal measuring tape that tailors use. So you can just measure yourself, and based on that you can get your lingerie. So that will give you a good look, and also it won't make you feel uncomfortable. And if it's too loose also, it will not look good, and if it's too tight also, it's not good for you, it's not good for your health. So make sure you're getting the right size. So that is it. I hope this was informative, and I'll be back with more such videos. Let me know in the comments below if you have more questions or if you would like me to do anything particular. And do check out saiaway.com during this sale. They have pretty amazing deals. And that's it for this video, guys. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any videos. And I also leave my Instagram and other social media handles here. You can follow me there as well, and we can stay in touch. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.